Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a Valentine's Day gift basket for my husband. I really wanted to share this video with you guys to show you that gift baskets can be really easy to make. At first, I used to be so intimidated by gift baskets, you guys, but now it's like my go-to when it comes to gift giving. I also love making these videos to give you guys ideas on what kind of gifts you can get your loved ones. So if you guys are interested in seeing me create this fun Valentine's Day basket for my husband, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, so I want to start off by just giving you a breakdown of everything you're going to need for this gift basket. I have everything laid out, so we'll start from here. Of course, you're going to need a basket. I grabbed like a medium-sized basket from the dollar store. You can get whatever color you want. I decided to get black just so my husband can use this afterwards, just to store, you know, anything. It could be perfume or whatever it is, just so that it's still kind of useful. If it was bright red, I don't know if he would use it, so I went with black, and I got some shredded paper that we're gonna put at the bottom of the box, and this I got from the dollar store as well. They happen to have this, which is really useful. Sometimes I do get it from Amazon as well, but this was really handy. You're going to obviously need clear wrap paper, so I do have that, and also some ribbon just to tie the gift basket. So that's what you need in terms of creating the basket. So for gift baskets, I like to focus on one kind of big item that's the main thing in the basket. So in this case, I decided to get my husband a really nice perfume that I thought he would really love, and that's the Bad Boy Carolina Herrera perfume, and this is called Cobalt. I think he's gonna love this scent, you guys. So this is kind of like the more expensive item in the gift basket, and it's like the main attraction. And then of course I have filler items. So I have some of my husband's like favorite snacks, chocolates and candies. So I've got OREOs here. I have Kinder Bueno minis, which are like his addiction. I got some of his favorite candies, so Skittles. I have Reese's minis and Hershey drops, which I know he's gonna love. I'm gonna also write a really cute message in this card for him, and we'll include this in the basket as well. And the last thing I'll be adding in the gift basket is this really cute mug, you guys. I got this from the dollar store as well, and I just thought it was adorable. Mugs are something that I always like to incorporate into gift baskets because they're such a practical gift to give. You know they're gonna use the product, and they're just really easy. And I think I'm gonna fill mine up with chocolate, and it's gonna look so cute. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna get started by placing the paper into the basket. I added all of the paper. I don't know if I'm gonna need all of it. I might remove some. I'm gonna start playing around and adding stuff to the basket, and we'll just play around until we're happy with what it looks like. I'm gonna add the Oreos just in the back like that. I wanna place the mug somewhere in the front, and we're gonna fill the Bueno chocolates in here. I want the big gift to be like in the front, so we'll just put that like that. And then I'm gonna just start filling in the rest with the candy and the chocolate. So I did just flip the Oreo box just so that it is kind of sitting upwards so that you can see it. It's a little bit more elevated. So the last thing I have to do is add my card, and I think I'm gonna just add it right in the back. So I think I'll put it forward. As you guys can see, it's all about just playing around till you're happy with how everything kind of looks, and then you're just gonna wrap it. It's really easy. All right, so our gift basket is ready to be wrapped. So what I'm gonna do is just place the clear paper right underneath. You want to place it relatively in the center, and you just want to make sure that when you wrap around that you'll get like a nice point. So what I'm going to do is just grab all the corners, and I'm just going to jumble it together. And I'm going to wrap tape around the top here. How cute is that, you guys? I love doing the tape method just because this just kind of holds everything in place and you're not fighting with the ribbon. So now what we're gonna do is actually go in with the ribbon. So I have red ribbon here just because it's for Valentine's Day. So I think I'm gonna cut a long piece like that just because I want to create nice ringlets. And I'm not a professional at this, but we're just gonna give it a go. I'm gonna go in with my scissors and create nice ringlets. Here is the final product, you guys, the gift basket for Valentine's Day for my husband. I think he's going to absolutely love this. Again, gift baskets can seem intimidating, but honestly, you guys, they're really easy and they're so quick, and you can just put everything that you know that that person is going to love in here, and it's just so special and you're gonna wow them every time. So this is the final product. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video on the Valentine's Day gift basket for my husband. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and let me know what you guys are planning on gifting your loved ones for Valentine's Day this year. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and I'll definitely make more videos like this. I can share birthday presents, Eid presents. I did actually do a Eid gift basket video in the past, so I'll link that video up here for you guys. Make sure you guys check that out. I'll leave a list of all the things I put in the gift basket down below in the description box for you guys, so make sure you guys check that out. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.